Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can sign up for affiliate of Mexc Global Exchange. It's a crypto exchange where you can buy and sell crypto. Okay, but in today's video guys, I just want to show you guys how can you become an affiliate of this particular crypto exchange right now. That is what I want to show you. And in this, even when you are trading this company in this crypto exchange, everything is zero fee. So let me just try to, can you see lowest fee, highest profit, whatever. So zero spot maker and take fee, everything is free by trading on this particular crypto exchange. Okay, it's very simple. So right now, today's video, I don't want to show how can you become an affiliate of this company, of this crypto exchange. That is what I want to show you right now in this video. So you guys just stick around to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you can understand how can you sign up for the affiliate of Mexc Global right now on this video. It's very simple. Okay, let me just show you guys on how you can sign up for an affiliate. Okay, so just come down when you visit the website. The website is called mexc.com, and just come down to the bottom of this website. Okay, just come down very well. Okay, come down very well here. All right, and you see anything like affiliate. Can you see affiliate? Click on this affiliate, and when you even sign up with my links right now, when you start trading there, you can be getting like $1,000 bonus. So let me just click on this sign up. I'll click on affiliate, and if you're new to my YouTube channel here, try to subscribe, like, and share this video. When you click on as an affiliate, you will see recommended trader to Mexc to boost your income. Become an Mexc affiliate and capitalize your influence. So you can click on join now. You can see step 1, apply to become a Mexc affiliate and earn profit from your referral trade. Mexc will review your application. Once approved, you will get unique referral link to share with your audience and promote your custom links, all right, on social media and other forms, can you see, of content, and earn lifetime commission on every new affiliate client. So that is what I want to show you right now in this video. So Mexc affiliate benefits, we are looking for key optional leaders, whatever, so content creator share mission. So that's how the partner, so you can just mission, so and you can start making money here. So can you see, you can earn passive income every month for every trader you refer. On your referral trading, you earn 50% of their trading every single month. So on your sub affiliate, you earn 10%. That's how they are doing. It's very massive, guys. We are excited to partner with so you just click on this apply now. So when you read everything, just click on apply now. Then when you now try to put in all your details and everything, click on this apply now. Okay, then you now try to just put your name, your last name, email address, password. Then you need to just choose your country and click on start now. So that's how. So let me just do that right now. I'll now put my first name, my last name, my email address, my password. Then I'll select my country. I'm from Nigerian. I will now search for Nigerian as my country. So that is I will search for Nigeria. I'm from Nigerian here. So okay, then I will now try to put my first name, my last name, my email address, my password. I will now click on start now. So let me just do that right away. Okay, I've already put my first name, my last, everything here. I will now try to click on start now. Okay, so right now I've already tried to put in everything. So right now, then tell us a little about yourself. So let me just click I'll just click on just select this area. I am content creator. Then how do you plan to promote our Mexc? Then you can say Twitter, Telegram, link. So you can select your blog, affiliate network, or like that. You can just select, because I'm a YouTuber, I'll just select a YouTube. So I will now try to copy my YouTube links here. I will now put my YouTube, then try to your details, maybe your Telegram, everything, put it there. Then you have to just go and you need to just log into your Mexc account here, then to copy the ID. Let me just click on it. Can you see commission will be withdrawn to the Mexc, okay, Mexc account under your MTIUD. So to locate your Mexc, please go to your tab. So if you want to get it, let me just log into my Mexc account here and show you something right now. So just copy the 8-digit and paste it here. Then how do you hear about us? Then try to click on another affiliate. Then you now click on this I have agree. Then you now click on apply now. So let me just fill my information. I will now click on this apply now. Go to your normal so let me just try to go and copy that. Okay, when you log into your account, you can see it here on your account, the IUD number. So you can just click on this area. Then when you click on, can you see this is my own ID number here? This is 68. Let me just try to copy it. All right, I will now try to, I've already copied the ID number here. I will now try to copy. I will now go back to my account. Then I will now try to paste it there. Very simple and easy, guys. Okay, this is, I will now paste the ID here. I will now try to paste the ID. That is my own ID number. Okay, that is my, so I will now try to, so then I will now click on apply now. Let me just go back to the account. All right, guys, I've already filled everything. I will now click on this apply now right now. So let me just do that right. All right, let me just click on apply now. So right now I need to just send code to my email. I will now send code to my email. All right, let me just try to send code to my email right away. Okay, I've already selected this one. I will now select this one. I will now select this one as well. I will now click on OK right away. Okay, they have sent in my email. Let me just check my accounts, refresh. Okay, let me just try to copy the code right now. My account, this is the affiliate code. Let me just try to copy the code. I will now try to, okay, so the code, this is the code here. I will now try to copy this code. I will now try to copy. I will now go back to this affiliate. I will now paste the code here as an affiliate. I will now click to click on submit here. All right, congratulations, your submission has been received. Your application is under review. I've done, and you see this has to just become an affiliate. In the next few days, they will give you, and you will see that your account has been reviewed and you have already become an affiliate. And you now start to share your links to your friends on social, on Instagram. For you, this is very simple to just do that. Very easy. This has to just register for the affiliate. Wow, congratulations, your affiliate account has been approved. They have already accepted my request to become an affiliate of this Mexc exchange. Wow, can you see? And you can see that they have already accepted me. Then can you see, as one of the world leading digital asset trading platform, we offer user a safe and convenient blockchain asset exchange service. Explore high quality crypto project from. So let me just try to log in. Can you see, begin your affiliate here? I'll just click on login to log into my account. All right, it's very amazing. Can you see? Can you see the system has already logged into my account? Successful. Wow, this is my affiliate link. I'll just click on copy. Then I will now start making. I can share it on WhatsApp. I can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, like that, LinkedIn, like that. Then I start getting paid. Very simple and easy, guys. So guys, then when I can you see, guys, when you guys start sharing your link on spot trading, you start getting 50%. All right, and then on the sub affiliate, maybe one of your you refer and someone, you refer someone as an affiliate, you guys start getting 10%. Can you see? Then ETF is 50% on their earnings, on their on their trading. Then future is 50% and 10%. So this is massive, guys. Can you see? So guys, from now, guys, I'll start sharing my links on my YouTube channel, all right, to get more commission. This is how to just successful create an affiliate account for Mexc and start getting commission. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to hit the subscribe. Just give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more video like this on how to make money online, on how to different way to make money on this particular YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye for now, guys.